This is CR Business Solutions, and we are from Tiruchirappalli, Tamil Nadu. We are a consultancy organization, and we are as a consultancy organization for several years. We did thousands of projects, and we have been giving guidance to the entrepreneurs also. We did many trainings also for NIMISME in Hyderabad, MSMEDI in Chennai, and EDI at Chennai, and EDI at Ahmedabad. And for them also we have did lot of training to the entrepreneurship development and all that, EDP training. We have been in this field for several years, and we have been worked as a project director for TDC STED. STED means Science and Technology Entrepreneur Development, a project by DST, and a project director as a TBI, Technology Business Incubator in Periyar TBI also we have worked. We have been put up this consultancy organization in order to make people to become entrepreneur. Why people has to become an entrepreneur? Because the nation growth, economic growth depends on the wealth creation. The wealth creation was being made only by entrepreneurs. So that's why both the central government and all state governments want to make the industries growth to be in India to be a wealth grower, and that will create a very good wealth growing, economic will grow. And as for this thing of the economy will be going to be we will be the fifth largest economic country in the world, and we are going to be second or third and fourth or third position in near future. For that one we need entrepreneurship to grow. Lot of people we want to make. We also tell people to go. You are becoming an entrepreneur, and they also want to become an entrepreneur. But Government of India as well as giving a lot of scheme, PMHP scheme, and then PM FTM scheme, and also SIDPI giving a CGFT scheme like that, and a lot of schemes will be given. That innovation was the major topic for the Prime Minister to give startup scheme also. And Stand Up India scheme also, they have been bring all those people. And Tamil Nadu, there are a lot of schemes, NEET scheme, PMEG scheme, and then PMEGP scheme also central. Then UIGP scheme like that, there are a lot of schemes, subsidy and power subsidy, and sometimes they will give more benefits to the new entrepreneurs to become an entrepreneur. But what is the problem in the person who want to become an entrepreneur is identification of a project, which project they want to go. That nobody will give. But here we want to give the list of projects will be which are profitable projects. We want to give it in our, we want to posting our profitable projects in our blog. We are having the exclusive blog called crbusinesssolution.blogspot.com. In this one, so far we have given 110 projects totally so far, and it is going to grow. We are going to give some more projects also, and every month or every once in the month or the singles, whenever people are asking for the new projects, we will give the projects in our blog. And we have the entire project profile. First we will make a profile, and the profile will have all the details of the project, like introduction, and then project cost, and the means of finance, and then what is the basic assumptions, what is the profit will be the single, and what is the raw material, and the machinery supplier, and the quotation, and also with the profit statement, the profit at glance. And we will give one more thing is there, which is the scheme, all the schemes available for this. There are a lot of states also. Maharashtra, Karnataka, the Chief Minister Employment Generation Program, up to 50 lakhs also they give. We will, all that will be given. We have given out of which I want to take, why I am talking to English, and because we speak in Tamil only, we will be giving a lot of projects in Tamil. But this time I want to give it the singles, that is edible tea cup project. Why? That is because a lot of people from North India, they have encouraged me for this project. And they want this project to be for their growth. This is a tremendous scope will be there for the edible teacups project. Why? Because the teacups have been that not previously it was been a glass tumbler. Then it has been that was not been hygienic, that not cannot be washed, there are people are not washing properly, then they come into the paper cup. Paper cup was a very good alternative for that one. Plenty of machineries to put all over India. There are thousands of paper cup products being produced and they have been using it. Presently, the central and state government has said that when the paper cup also having a plastic coating in it. That's why they banned the plastic paper cup. So then what is the alternative? So if you remove the paper cup and if you stop production of the paper cup, there will be the shortage and then people has to go for the glass tumbler, which is not hygienic. They are not like it also. So tea will be the one of the item has to be served with hygienic cup. So the people will be searching on that one. They have found that one. The bakery people have started a bakery product called edible tea cup, coffee cup, with a bakery product in the oven. They baked it in the oven and served. That was a leak, so they put in this chocolate coating and they have given it. But presently, a Madurai person has been served a teacup with which will be equivalent to the ice cream cone. The same method, he made a cup in a smaller way and he has been served a biscuit cup. It is called edible tea cup. This withstands more than 10 minutes, the tea will be, it withstands on the cup. Normally, the tea, after getting the tea, we pour the tea in the cup. We can drink it within 2 minutes or 3 minutes, maximum to be 5 minutes. But this stands more than 10 minutes. They said 30 minutes, but it's not, maybe not correct, but it has been standing 10 minutes will be definitely be there. So this edible tea cup they have introduced, but the only thing is they said that is an abnormal rate for that tea cups. We have analyzed the entire project. We analyzed the machine suppliers. We analyze the raw materials and we have been taken into consideration. This tea cup project will be very simple and it can be produced at every nook and corner, every district, every even on villages they can have a project in this one. They got a tremendous market because the tea cup will cost only 1 rupee to 1 rupee 50 paisa. You can sell at 2 rupees maximum, you can sell at 2 rupees, you got a tremendous profit in it. That is why we have put the project profile and we completely given the machine supplier and what is the mixing of the these singles, what is the cost of the tea cup, what is the packing charges for the tea cups and the final product cost will be there. How many people to be worked on that one, all the costs we have been working. It has been assumed that the machine supplier says that they can produce easily 5,000 cups per a day, for an extended shift or that 10 hours, 8 hours to 10 hours, minimum 5,000 cups can be produced in the machine and it can be extended for a shift, one more shift you can extend it or you can add one more machine or 2 more machines and take it up. But people definitely be this tea cup, edible tea cup project will be a breakthrough and a lot of people going to make this project viable. It's a very viable project because it contains only 10 grams, 8 grams, 10 grams raw material and that cost to be very less and the making charges also is not been very big. So this cup will be cheap. If you sell it at cheaper, people will be offered to buy it and paying 2 rupees for a cup will not be a problem to them. So we have the entire project profile. If you want, you can take the project profile with us from us and it will cost you very less. We never ask for the more money for the project profile and you can start and you can find out which scheme it will be suit and how you go about. The banks also, it will be a guidelines to you for the banks and there is a loan factor and you get 25% to 35% subsidy and although it will be a viable project to you. If you want the project profile, you can contact us. We'll give the phone numbers and we give the address and we give our email. You contact us with the email and we will be definitely be answered to you. And if you want, you can pay and get to the project profile, and we will be selling that project profile. I every time ask everybody to kindly just subscribe our YouTube, and also press the bell button, so that one you will get more projects in this one. As a trial basis, we are giving this project profile in English, and we are always given in Tamil only, but this time I am giving English. But if it is success and more people has been, it will reach, we think it will reach throughout India, and if it is been reaching throughout India, we will give more projects and in English also. And we have already given 110 projects. You go through those things in our blog, and you ask for the project profile, we will provide you. This will be the CR Business Solutions, and we will hope that this will reach to you. Good. Thank you very much.